Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. inDrive step by step how to change your name, email, and phone number. So here I'll be teaching how to change your name, email, and phone number in inDrive. So inDrive, to change your name, email, and phone number, all you need to do is open up the app. Once you open up the app, click on the three horizontal lines on the top left corner. After clicking on that, you will see right here the profile right here. Just press on that. After pressing on that, click on your profile on the top right corner right here. After pressing your profile on the top right corner, you will change your name and last name right here. So by just clicking on that, just change your name. There you go. And to change your email, just press right here on your email right here. After pressing on that, you may change your email. Just delete it and then add the new email. And a bonus tip for you guys, you can also add your profile picture right here so the driver would know what you look like, and be sure to get the right passengers, because sometimes driver might mistaken the wrong passenger or for the wrong person, and you might get lost and you might go to the wrong area of the driver area. So yeah, I suggest putting in a picture right there so they would know who they are driving. So now to go back, now we're going to teach you how to change your number. To change your number, click on the three horizontal lines again. After doing that, go to the settings right here. After pressing on the settings, you will see a phone number here. There you go, a phone number there. All you need to do is press on that phone number, and here your account and data will be linked to this new number. So now we change number, we can enter the new number. All we need to do is enter the new number. Let's say 09 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Let's say like that, and then when you click on next, this will send you a code. Once you send the code, there you go, you're done. Once you send the code and you agree the code, then you're done. So there you go guys, that's how you do it. That's all you need to do. Yeah, hope you guys liked the video. If you enjoyed, if you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.